Hi and welcome to How Tech Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to filter data in Google Sheets. The filter option allows you to temporarily hide some of the data in a table without affecting the original data, so you can focus on the data you want to see. Let's say we want to filter all the sales in the enterprise segment above 50,000, being shown in ascending order. With the filter functionality, we can create this view without charging the order of the original data. Let's select the entire table here and click on the Create a Filter option. With that done, you can see the filter icon next to every heading in the table here. Clicking on the icon will open up the filter menu. Over here, you can either filter the data according to the color, a condition, or by the values appearing in the column. We want to filter the segment to only see the enterprise sales. So let's open this option and clear the selection first. After that, let's choose the enterprise option here and click on OK. You can see that the entire sheet is filtered and only shows the data for enterprise sales. Next, we only want to see sales data above $50,000, so let's open the filter menu in the amount column here. Let's expand the filter by condition option here and open up the drop-down menu. Here you can see a lot of conditions to filter your data by. Let's find and select the greater than option. After that, let's enter 50,000 and click on OK. You can see that the sheet is filtered out to only show sales in the enterprise segment, which is above $50,000. You can open up the filter menu here and save the filter view option. This way, the original data sorting will not be changed. We can give the filter view a name, and now we can make changes to how the data is sorted. So, for example, let's head back to the Amount Filter menu and click on the Ascending option here. Once done, simply click on the Close button here to go back to the original view of the data. You can turn off the filters and see that the original data remains unchanged. To go back to the filter view, simply open up the filter menu and the filter view saved earlier would be displayed here. Clicking on it will open up the filter view showing only enterprise sales above $50,000. That's all. Would you like to know about any particular Google Sheets feature? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.